In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram password. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Instagram, and you need to tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. This is going to take you to your profile page, where then you need to go ahead and select the three lines up in the top right corner and select Account Center up at the very top. Then go ahead and just scroll down on here until you see all of your account settings. You need to specifically select password and security, and then you're going to see a change password option on here. Obviously, make sure you choose whatever account is that you want to update, and it's going to ask you to type in your current password. It'll tell you when you last updated it as well. But enter in your current password, type in your new password. For whatever reason you have forgotten your current password, don't worry, that's okay. Just tap forgot your password, and Instagram will send a reset link to your email. Open up that email, use the link, create a new password, and that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.